Alright, the Volvo, it's got the same battery in it as it had in it last year. Can't get the hood open, it's frozen stuck, so let's just hope the battery held a charge. At least the seat's pretty good. Ooh, well, at least we have some ignition. I don't think enough juice to crank her. Oh well. Too bad. Next, maybe we'll try the Ford Focus. 2,000, high kilometers, rusty as hell. Alright, the 2-liter split port, not the Z-Tech motor. Let's see. I hope I got the right key. I've hardly ever driven this car. The dinger works. Auto's good. Oh, I do have the right key. 298,000 K. Oh wow! What a champ! No tack. Cool. Did have to change the fuel pump in it. They must love that Dodge fuel pump. I wonder if she can drive out of this mess. It's got air in the tires. Well, let's see how far we can get. Gotta shut that hood first. Alrighty. No brakes. Ooh, 0. Well, she's smoking a bit of rubber. Shifting gears and all that, but doesn't look like we're gonna go anywhere. Let's try reverse. Nah, still burning the same tire. Oh well, what the hell. We're having good luck so far. Uh-oh. We're panicking. We got no seatbelt on, but it doesn't seem to tell us we got no brakes. Oh well. Pretty good. I sure hope nobody wants me to start that gay piece of shit with the push button. Oh, why not the Nissan truck since nobody wants to see that other thing start? Alright, next. Okay, this has got the 3-liter mud and dirt eater V6 with a driver's door that doesn't work. Crusty paintball splatters all over it. So, let's see. What a pain in the ass. Doesn't even open from the inside. Oh god. Alrighty. Auto's good. Push clutch. Oops. Wipers are on. Maybe that means 4-wheel drive, or I don't know. Who knows? Whoa! What a vehicle! She runs sweet. I'm having really good luck this year. Oh, it's so cold my nose is running. Yep. Wow. So many cars, so little time. I was doing it same old, same old. Cool. Next. I'm getting kind of tired. Walking through all this crispy shit. Let's try the White Whale next. The 76 New Yorker from the old man Eugene that died. She hasn't been running since last summer either. Sat for almost 20 years in the driveway. Someone can buy this beast too for 700 bucks. Works great, just needs one power window switch. Got the 400 downstroke 440 motor in it. Nothing's busted on it. No creatures. I won't even prime it. We'll just give it maximum pumpage. What a shape. I've been watching too many movies this winter. Be with you in a minute. Okay, let's go to see if this old Yorker runs like a new Yorker. Fine Corinthian leather seats. No ass protection required. Minimal glaciation. AM radio. Classic 70s disgusting buzzer. Annoying as hell. Typical pumpage. Okay. You know, we're still starting all these cars in the same battery, so that's pretty amazing. I hope nobody stole the gas out of this thing. Oh man. Oh, don't break my day. I'm having such a good day. Yes! Just with pumpage. Well, I am an experienced pumper. That's what she said. Choke is sticking a bit. Ah, it won't run by itself. Ah, come on. Guess that's good enough. There's even one of my dead bee friends. Ready for battle for next year. Alright. I don't want to wait for the choke to open. Well, I guess that's the first year ever that I had 100% success with all the ones that had good battery. Cool. Oh, well, the GTS did have a stuck starter motor and I didn't break back a steel bar to hit it, but that's all that's ever wrong with it. Alright. Time for a beer. Pond is still all froze. Well, except for one end. So I guess we'll have more fun next year. Or the weekend. Cool.